Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the set of two patio chairs that Yaheetech sent to me for this video. And I think these are really cool. Not only because, as you can see, they're foldable. So let me actually show you. Super easy. This is the only thing you need to do. That's it. And the other thing that I really like about these ones is that they come like this out of the box. No assemble needed. Let's face it, let's accept it. We all hate assemble. So having this ready out of the box, it's super good. So let me actually show you why I like this chair so much. So the first thing is this one supports up to 330 pounds. So that's actually a lot. I weigh 190 pounds and I'm 5'10". And you can see that I have enough room to actually sit on this and rest on this really nice armrest they have, because these are 54 inches wide. So you can see that I still have pretty much room to sit, and they're 93 inches tall. So that's actually pretty nice for patio chairs. And this one, actually, the good thing about these ones is they're like foldable and super easy to take with you on the go. So you can actually throw them on your trunk, like your car trunk, and just take them with you on the go to friends and family houses, picnics, the beach, the park, or things like that. So that's actually pretty good. The materials are kind of like really nice. This mesh is super resistant and elastic, and it's breathable, waterproof, and super easy to clean. So they're washable, you don't have to worry about anything, and they're super easy to unfold and fold for sure. Again, 330 pounds. It has a really nice metal structure. I want to say that they're like super comfy and elastic right here with this really nice mesh down here. So 330 pounds, that's a lot again, and for sure you can actually have them whatever you want, since they're foldable and super easy to take with you on the go. I do like the armrest as well, and for sure they're super comfy and ready to go out of the box. I like them. I do recommend it. Thumbs up 100%. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.